Tuesday 23rd of December, just before Christmas, and we're just drilling into sugar beet tops here with a Claydon hybrid T6 drill on the back of the Fendt tractor. See, all the seed is nicely covered in. And just down here, spread across the width of the band. Drainage from the leading tine, and all looking absolutely perfect. And you can see just what we're drilling into. Bits of sugar beet left here. So December drilling in Colford area near Bury St Edmunds, close to the sugar beet factory. Looking well. So thank you very much, and Merry Christmas everybody.